Alright, so welcome back to this channel. Now we'll be continuing with Igbo nkeji asụsụ, that is nkwuwa na njikọ, that is parts of speech, adverb and conjunction. That's what we'll be talking about. Parts of speech, adverb and conjunction in Igbo language. Now let's begin with nkwuwa, which is adverb. So adverb, you know, in English is called nkwuwa in Igbo. Now this is a part of speech. Nkeji asụsụ. So parts of speech is nkeji asụsụ in Igbo that tells us what the verb is ngwa in Igbo. When you hear ngwa, we are talking about verb said in order to modify it. Now, it may be the time something is done, how it is done, or its nature. We have the examples there. Uche bịara ọsịsọ. Uche came quickly. The two. Nna mere ọfụma. Nna mere ọfụma. Nna did well. Nna did well. Okay? Then, so you can see that you can relate it to what? To nkwuwa, which is what? Adverb. With the example we just gave you now. Now let's move further. Ụzọ esi ezipụta nkwuwa n'Igbo. That is ways of showing adverb in Igbo language. Ways of showing adverb in Igbo language. Ụzọ esi ezipụta nkwuwa n'Igbo. We have number one, which is site n'ụzọ oge. That is in terms of time. You can show nkwuwa, which is adverb, in terms of telling time. We have the example there. Example one. Ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị ga-ebido echi. So it's telling time when the school will start. So our school will start tomorrow. Number two. Obinna lara ụnyaahụ. Obinna went home yesterday. That's the meaning. Obinna lara ụnyaahụ. Then the next one is Ada lechara ụlọ. Ada lechara ule ngwa ngwa. Ada finished the examination fast. Ule means examination. The next one is anyị gara ahịa taa. We went to the market today. We went to the market today. Anyị gara ahịa taa. So ahịa is market. Gara means went. Anyị means we. As you can see it there. Ebere bịa ugbua. Ebere come now. So it is telling what? Time, according to that example. Okay, let's look at another one. N'ụzọ omume ma ọ bụ ọdịdị ihe, through the action or nature of something. Remember, we are talking about nkwuwa, which is verb, and how you can use it. You can use it to show how ways of showing adverb in Igbo language. That's what we're talking about. The next one is n'ụzọ omume ma ọ bụ ọdịdị ihe. That is through the action or nature of something. That is how you show nkwuwa, which is adverb. We have the example here. O mere ọfụma n'ule. He, o means it could be it could be he, it could be she. It's a unisex. He or she did well in exam. Okay, the next one is agam ata ọzọ. Agam ata ọzọ. I will shoot again. Okay, the next one is Nkechi mee ya taa. Nkechi do it today. Alright, the next one is ha mechara ya ozugbo. They finished it immediately. The next one is ọ gbọrọ agbọọ ọzọ. He or represent either you say he or she vomited again. Alright, let's look at another way you can use adverb in Igbo sentence. Site n'ịkpọpụta otu okwu ugboro abụọ. That is by repeating a word twice. Let's look at the example there. O riri ya ọsọ ọsọ. That means he ate or she ate. You can use she or he. Ate it very fast or quickly. The next one is o mere ya nwayọ nwayọ. He did it slowly. Ọ bịara ngwa ngwa. He came early. Ọ na-agba bọọlụ ike ike. He played football very fast. Ọ gbara ọnwụ ọnwụ. He or she ran speedily. So that is how you can translate adverb. You can use adverb adequately. Okay, now we are going to look at njiko. Njiko in English is conjunction. As you can see it there, conjunction. Conjunction means conjunction, as you know it in your English. I told you before that everything English has, we have it in Igbo language. To have the examples here, conjunction. You know what conjunction means? So conjunction is a part of speech used to join two or more words. That's the conjunction. So in Igbo, conjunction is called njiko. Okwu eji ejikọ okwu ma mkpụrụ edem. Okwu eji ejikọ okwu ma ọ bụ asụsụ. Okay, we have an example. Na. Na is one of them. Na is one of the examples of njiko, which is conjunction. Njiko in Igbo. Alright, so let's look at the. Okay, let's use that make sentence. Ada eze na Obi bụ enyi. So na. So I see na there joins Adaeze and what? Obi. Yes, that's why we call them conjunction. So Adaeze and Obi are friends. Enyi is friends in English. The next one is ma. The word ma. Okay? Ọ jụrụ ma ọ nọ ya. You see? So ma joins both ọ jụrụ and ọ nọ ya together. Now look at it in English. He asks whether he or she is in. So whether there in English is what? Ma. Now look at the third one, mana. Another nkwuwa. Yes. Another njiko, sorry. Another njiko is what? Mana. Look at the statement there. Nne m kpọrọ ya mana ọ zaghị. So mana joins nne m kpọrọ ya and ọ zaghị together. And because it joins them together, that is why it has a meaning. Look at it in English, you can see it in the English version there. And the next word is maka. You can use maka to join, which is njiko. Ị ga-eji maka wee jikọọ mkpụrụ okwu ma ahịrịokwu ọnụ. Now, let's look at the example there. Maka. Okay? Onye nkuzi pịara ya ihe maka ọ bịaghị akwụkwọ n'oge. You can see it there. The next one is ka. Ada gara ahịa ka nne ya gawara ụlọ akwụkwọ. You can see it there. Tupu. Let's use tupu. Maazị Ibe bịara ụlọ akwụkwọ tupu ya agawa ụlọ ọgwụ. Maazị Ibe bịara ụlọ akwụkwọ tupu ya agaba ụlọ ọgwụ. So that tupu joins those two phrases there. Alright, the next one is tutu. Tutu. Okay. ha mụgidere anya tutu ruo n'elekere 2 nke ụtụtụ. They were awake until 2 a.m. Now the next one is kemgbe. Alright? Oyi na-ama ya kemgbe ụnyaahụ. Oyi means cold. Oyi na-ama ya kemgbe ụnyaahụ. Look at the English version here. Alright. Thank you very much. Let's continue. Okay, that's where we'll stop for now. So we believe you learned something. Repeat this video as often as possible for you to grab it internally. Alright, so thank you very much. If you have any question in Igbo you want to ask, comment on the comment section, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that anytime we release a video, you will be the first to be notified, be the first to know about it. Thank you very much.